If you're a beginner and you're looking for a way to add a moving an announcement bar like other sliding text or marquee effect in your Shopify DAWN theme, today's video I'm going to put you through exactly on how you can go about this. And as you can see in this page, you can see my announcement bar moving, okay, and it's animating with the sliding text and marquee effect. So let's get straight to this, and I'll teach you how you can easily create this in your Shopify DAWN theme. All right, so to have the moving announcement bar, the sliding text marquee effects to your Shopify DAWN theme, you come here to the announcement bar, as you can see right here. Okay, now instead of you can see the announcement bar. So what I'm going to do is under the announcement bar, just like this, I'm going to add a new section. Okay, as you can see, you can either click on add section here, or you can just hover around under the announcement bar and you're going to see this plus icon show. And right here, we're going to click on add section. Okay, so I'm going to click on add section under the header, which we're still going to drag, and we're going to click on this custom liquid, okay, because I'm going to be giving you a code that you're going to be using. Now, this code is very simple. You don't need to go to any, you don't need to edit any code in your, theme settings. So everything is simply easy. But before we even edit this code, I'm going to drag this custom liquid. We want to drag it a bit to the top so that it can be maybe at the top, just like this. Okay, so it's going to be there. Okay, now I want to go ahead and edit the custom liquid. So I'm going to click that. And once you click on custom liquid, I want to paste a particular code that I'm going to give to you also to use. So I'm going to go to my doc, and right here is the code. So this code, as you see it like this, is what is going to give us the magic. So I'm going to go ahead, copy the code, and I come back here to my Shopify DAWN theme and I paste the code. And right now you will see, you can see it loading. Okay, can you see? All right. And in case you want to reduce the padding, you can easily just reduce it a bit. So depending on whichever size you want. Okay. Yep. So you can reduce the, the border weights. Okay. You can reduce it like that. And also right here, if you want to change the color, we can change the color scheme. So what we're going to do is we can click on this color scheme and we can, pick any color we want. Let's say we want to use scheme 3 and it's going to be a white text on the background. Okay, so the reason why this code is very effective is that it actually works with the theme. Okay, so you don't have to keep changing colors inside the code like the other ones that we're seeing on other channels. So with these, you can easily just change the colors here of the text and also the background. And also in case you want to change the text, you add the text right here. Okay, so instead of limited stocks available, we can just change this to Ori now. Okay, now you see it's gonna change now to, you can see Ori now. All right, and also this free shipping today on orders over $50,000. You can see it right there. So that's the one that you're gonna change. Okay, and this one also, it's also the last text there. Okay. So now that one also is going to change. So you see limited stocks available, free shipping today on orders above 50,000. If I want to change that $50,000, I can also change that $75. Okay. You see, it's already changed. Okay. And if you want to change the seconds, maybe you want it to go much faster, just come here to this hour left 16 seconds. So you can change this to 10 seconds and it's going to get more faster. So you see, it's going more faster. If I put it 5 seconds, it's going to be working fast. Okay, you see, it's going to be fast. So, and if I make it 20 seconds, it's going to be slower. Okay, so that is how you go about that. Okay, so and also the pixel, maybe you want to increase the font size. You can easily just click here and increase it. So let's say I want to increase it to 24 pixels. You see, it's been increased. If it's 48, it's going to be very much bigger. So you see, that's how you. Okay, so you see, it's very much bigger. Okay, but I'm just gonna leave it at 20 pixels. So this is how you can edit everything. Okay, and how you can actually format your, format your announcement bar. Okay, so with this now, you will be able to move your announcement bar, using the marquee effect or the sliding text in the Shopify DAWN theme. Okay. And if this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button. And also you can see that you can easily change the colors and everything. So please like this video. Also, even if you don't want to subscribe, please like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there. And also share this video with your friends, family that might need something just like this. Thank you very much. I will see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.